from a storybook. Time to draw the feet so small, pointy yellow, sharp for all. Pecking seeds and singing tunes, morning, night, and afternoons. If you're having fun, hit that subscribe button. What colorful drawings coming your way? Now we make the body bright, big and round, oh what a sight. Green and blue, nice and bold, a pretty bird for us to hold. Draw the feathers smooth and neat, wings so soft, oh what a treat. Purple, blue, and colors so grand, flying high across the land. Like this video if you love drawing, let's color a bird together. Now the legs standing tall, yellow feet, they won't fall. Step by step, tap, 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 a happy bird, flap, flap, flap. Now let's color, fill it in, make it bright, let's begin. Green and blue, orange too, a rainbow bird, just for you. Subscribe now and join us for more fun art. Let's keep drawing together. Yay, we did it, hooray! A colorful bird to brighten the day. Now show your art, let's have fun drawing birds for everyone. Tweet, tweet, flap, flap, like, share, and subscribe. Now let's add some fun and cheer, where learning's fun and colors fly. We draw, we learn, and reach the sky. Grab your pencils, let's explore art and knowledge, so much more. Every day we learn and play at Kids Knowledge Club, hooray! From animals to stories bright, we color, we draw from morning to night. So stay with us, keep having fun, drawing and learning, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join Kids Knowledge Club to keep the vibe. With Kiki's fun and colors so bright, we'll learn and create all through the night. Yay, we did it, hooray! A colorful bird to brighten the day. Now show your art, let's have fun drawing birds for everyone. Tweet, tweet, flap, flap, like, share, and subscribe. Kids Knowledge Club.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.